We have created a 3D printer with exceptional characteristics. The VIT SLS is open materials. It can work with various kinds of powder according to the needs of each piece. You just add the powder to the machine and press the on button. We wanted our printer to be user-friendly, so we added LED accessories to indicate the state of the process at all times. Once the process is finished, a signal will appear. All you do is extract the object and clean it. You can even reuse the leftover powder. The VIT SLS is the solution many companies have been waiting for. It's the perfect tool for fast and cost-efficient creation of scale models and prototypes. That is why we have developed our own technology and built a low-cost printing machine that offers the same or even better features than those on the market today. Join our dream. Be a part of it. Support us on Kickstarter.